Dad, can I talk to you for a few minutes? I've been feeling a little confused these days. Sometimes I feel I'm studying a lot, but still it doesn't feel enough. I see others moving ahead, achieving things, and I start doubting myself. I try to focus on my studies, but my mind keeps getting distracted. There is pressure of exams, pressure of future, and pressure of expectations. Honestly, I feel tired. Not physically, but mentally. Some days I feel motivated, but some days I feel completely blank. I also feel confused about my career. Everyone asks me what I want to become, but I don't have a clear answer yet. I don't want to disappoint you or mom. That fear stays in my mind all the time. And dad, there's one more thing. Sometimes I feel lonely even when people are around. I talk to friends, I use my phone, I scroll a lot, but inside I feel something is missing. I don't know if this is stress, pressure, or just overthinking. I just know that I want peace in my mind. I want to study with interest, not fear. I want to choose a career I don't regret later. Sometimes I think I'm weak for feeling like this, but I'm really trying. I just wanted to say all this to you because I trust you the most.
I'm glad you spoke to me. What you're feeling is not weakness, it's honesty. Let me tell you something important. Every generation feels this pressure. It just looks different. Feeling confused about studies and career is normal. Clarity doesn't come in one day. It comes with time and effort. You don't need to compare your journey with others. Everyone grows at a different pace. About expectations, I don't expect perfection from you. I only expect sincerity and effort. Failure does not disappoint parents. Silence does. I would rather have you talk to me than suffer alone. As for career, focus on learning skills and understanding yourself first. The right direction becomes clearer when the mind is calm. And about loneliness, even adults feel it sometimes. Life is not always exciting, and that's okay. Reduce screen time, talk to real people, and give yourself space to breathe. Remember one thing, your value is not decided by marks, ranks, or jobs. You are already enough. You just need patience and consistency. Whatever path you choose, walk on it honestly, and I'll stand with you. You're not alone, son. Never forget that.